가자. 오늘 달이 좋구나. 가자.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a reaction to Nature's Oopsie My Bad music video. I know I'm kind of late, but by the time I upload this, it's gonna be super late. Sorry, I've been busy and I have so much reactions to update. Make edit. That's the right word for it. And Nature, I'm slowly becoming a leaf. Their fandom name is the cutest fandom name ever. I feel like it's my favorite fandom name. And the reason because I'm slowly becoming a leaf is because they're fairly new, so I wanna get to know them more. I don't know the members. I just know that I usually don't go for cutesy, but I just know that I love their comebacks, especially or their music videos or their music in general. Some You'll Be Mine, unfortunately I didn't do a reaction to it, but that song got me, and then they came out with I'm So Pretty, and that got me Dream About You. So I'm starting to really like these girls, so they're gonna be definitely on my top 10 favorite girl groups. But without further ado, I'm really excited. I don't know what route they're gonna go, because I don't really go for cutesy. You have to be, if I like a cutesy group, then you'll know they have to be really good, catchy and all those kind of things. So let's just see how this one is. I'm so excited. So here we go. I think I liked the leader. I think her name was Aura, but we'll see. Ooh. Okay. I'm wearing black. I'm glad. One-way music? Okay. Okay. These girls. Oh, they're all so beautiful. Who is that? They're so beautiful. Put my hair down. Okay. Oopsie. Oh. The aesthetics, the visual. Oopsie. Oh. Are they like witches? Like magicians? So bad. Okay. The outfit. Oh, I like the mirror. All these raps. Oh my, all these raps are my favorite. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, all these rap parts. Ooh, that's cool. They're doing like magic tricks. They're not witches, they're magicians. I think it's the same thing, right? Ooh. Okay, looking it down, that voice. Who is that short girl? I can relate. I like the, it's not tricky, but. Ooh, okay. They're a different kind of cute. They're like badass cute, if that makes sense. Oh, girl. Okay, having a feast, and then what was that? It was a lightning came. What? Okay, they're all magicians. So that's what I got from this comeback. I feel like this song, it's gonna be hit or miss. Some people might not like it. Some people are going to love it. For me, I loved it. It was like different kind of cute. Like you don't really see cutesy. Like when you see cutesy, they like go hard at it. Like if it's like a cutesy group, like this is a cutesy group, but like I don't know how to explain it. It's like a different kind of cutesy. Like they did. I don't know, like the raps. I feel like this was like rap, a lot of rap. I don't know how many of them rap, but it was like a low key rap kind of thing. Like it was like rap mostly. I don't know. Like they're like oopsie my bad. They were acting like it was like badass because they're like magicians, you know. But at the same time, it was like cute. So I don't know how to like describe this. Like I loved it. Like this is like it was different. I loved it. Some You'll Be Mine is definitely going to be my favorite, but I feel like this song, I'm gonna be listening to it more and more because that like got me hyped, and they were like, oh, so cute, the visuals, the aesthetics, like I loved everything about this comeback, their outfits, the dance, and like the little magic tricks going on in there with the cards and the mirror and them dancing, and that it's gonna be hard for me to choose a bias, but I really want to get to know them. So if you guys know any like reality shows or anything that they've been on, or if they have like their own like a little show, let me know, because I really want to know who is who, and I really want to know more about them. Like I said, they're still kind of a rookie group. I don't know when they debuted it. I think they debuted it with Allegro Cantabile 1 year ago. So they're really new. So that's why I'm like, I'm gonna become a leaf. I know, I just don't know when. I maybe wait till they have more comebacks or go get to know them. There's so many new groups that's why I'm like, I'm still struggling to get to know them because there's so many and I'm so busy with school. So yeah, overall it was a different kind of cute. I loved it. Like I haven't seen any girl group who's cute and who has like a cutesy concept do this. The closest I can think of would be Twice, but still this was like different. That's the only cutesy I can relate it to. I don't know, I just like the beat was different, like everything was different, so I loved it. It was good. It was really good. Can't wait to watch this live. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought. Let me know who is who, because I really want to know, because all of them look so pretty. And then there was that short girl, I don't know where Aurora went. I think last in I'm So Pretty she had red hair, I think, maybe, if I'm not confusing her with another group. I hope I'm not confusing them with another group, but okay, they're not really cutesy. They're more sexy, but like, I don't know, there's just something about it. Like I said, I can't explain it. Who knows? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!